Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study about polar region. Chapter 3, Arctic Circle or Polar Climate, Tundra region. First topic we are going to discuss about is location of region. The region that has Arctic climate lies to the north of Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. Arctic climate lies to the north of Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere. In this slide we can see the polar region lies in Arctic Circle of northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. Next we will move towards the next slide, that is climate of this region. As the region receives very slanting rays of sunlight, here winters are very long and cold. Summers are very brief and cold. The average temperature of 10 degrees centigrade in summer and winter have temperature of 12 degrees centigrade. Polar region receives average precipitation of 30 centimeter in a year. Students, in summer, sun never sets for months and the sun rays carry no warmth. Let's recall the climate once again, that winters are very long and cold, summers are very brief and cold, region receive very slanting rays of sunlight. Polar region receives snowstorm called blizzards. Wind speed reaches 200 kilometers per hour. Now let's move towards the vegetation of this region. As we know that temperature is below freezing point for the above 8 months in the year and soil remains permanently frozen in this region and is called permafrost. The top layer thaws, that is melt in summer months. Few marshes, lakes and bogs are seen when the snow melt in summer, so vegetation is hardly grows in this region. The growing season is less than 3 months. Only lichens, dwarf, willow, stan and mosses are found here. Wildlife. Animals adapt themselves well to the harsh climate. We can find some animals in polar region like wolves, foxes, musk ox, reindeer, polar bear, Arctic hares, snow petrels, lemmings are found here. Let's discuss about the human activity. Here people's activities are like reindeer herding, and uses of this reindeer are for transportation and for milk. Recently, natural oil and uranium have been discovered in Arctic region. Few people who live here are semi-nomadic. In Greenland and some island nearby live the Eskimos. They live in permanent home made of stones and earth. They have temporary winter hunting logs called igloos made from blocks of snow and ice. They use sledge made of animal bones and skin pulled over snows and ice by dogs as transport. But now, snowmobile are permanently replaced the traditional sledge. They have large open boats called hummocks. Human occupation. Their chief occupation is fishing and hunting. As there is no vegetation in this region, their occupation is fishing and hunting. Hope students the topic of Tundra region are clear to all.